TotalAV. It cleared over 7 gigabytes of clutter on our test machine, junk files, duplicates, leftover app data, you name it, all the stuff Windows cleanup usually misses. Right after the scan, startup was faster and the whole system felt smoother. And the best part is it didn't bog the computer down while it was scanning. A lot of these tools will choke up your system while they work, but this one stayed light in the background. On top of that, TotalAV bundles in malware protection and a built-in VPN. So while it's cleaning, it's also closing 2 major security gaps that most people completely forget about. For a cleaner that boosts performance and keeps you protected without any extra effort, TotalAV is the strongest pick. And if you'd rather try cleaning things up yourself before using any software, we've got a whole video that walks you through Windows' own tools. Now, of course, not every program out there calling itself a PC cleaner deserves a spot on this list. Some are flat out scams. Skip anything like Qubit Optimizer, PC Accelerate Pro, Speed It Up, My Clean PC, or Broom Cleaner. They either duplicate tools that Windows already has built in, hit you with scare tactics, or worse, will slow down your PC more than they speed it up. A good rule of thumb is if a cleaner pops up screaming that your PC is critical or demands money to fix it, then just close it and move on. Here's the thing, PC cleaners take care of clutter, but performance also depends on your Windows setup. And that's why we also put together a video on the Windows 11 tweaks that every power user should know, and watching that with this will give you the full performance upgrade that you need. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense guides like this, and drop a comment to tell us which cleaner made the biggest difference for your system. This is Safety Detectives, keeping your tech fast, clean, and under control. We'll see you in the next video.